back to Cooking with the Boys.
Today we'll be making fried small fish that I caught.
What you will need today is small fish that I caught, salt, pepper, flour, and canola oil. First, put some flour and then season with salt and pepper. Just come out so slow. Then put the salt. And put the fish that I caught and coat it with the flour.
Canola oil to the pan and heat it. Add the fish that I caught, not them, to the pan when it's heated. Then fry the fish that I caught until it's crispy.
Give me something.
Hold them like this, it's ready. Now it's ready, let's eat it.